Fast Attack buggy. It's got a 2011 marking on it, so it was first re-released then. The great thing is this particular version is being re-released with the decals of the camouflage. So camouflage is already being printed and it's quite a soft focus. So when you cut it out and you stick it on, it's going to look like an airbrush finished. So as you can see here, look at how good that camouflage finish is. Quite amazing. So that's the Fast Attack vehicle. Also, we have re-release of the Avante. So we've seen the Avante quite often, and it's always been a fan favorite. Brand new DAX kit, 1/12 scale Honda DAX 125. There we go, there's all the sprue. So this one actually offers to be built with the decals for the Tamiya limited version or the regular version, which is shown there. Here we have the brand new 240Z custom special. The kit isn't exactly brand new because there was a magnificent 240Z that was released. That was the ZG, but there are some quite big differences. And they have shown the two here for comparison. Okay, let's get a bit closer. Okay, so big differences are the headlight covers and also the front bumper arrangement. That's all brand new. We have different wheels, and as we look inside, I think the carburetors are different too, because it looks like just mesh stacks there, whereas the ZG has the big filter. Very cool. Let's have a closer look at the sprue. Those are the clear parts. Now this kit was quite groundbreaking because it had all the individual chrome parts around the windows molded separately. But this appears right here to be the original parts for this particular version. You've got different flares, the different wheels, the different front end. Quite a lot of differences, really. Great to see that the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTI is available again. Beautiful looking kit. You can see they finished it in two different versions. So this one here bumperless, and this one with the bumpers. And you got some beautiful decals there.